Now, there are some people who are rich, and when you hear about the sadaqah that they are giving out, you are blown away. This is how the rich, even during the time of the Prophet ﷺ, the poor would go and complain, Ya Rasulullah, the rich, they are giving out sadaqah. Then the Prophet ﷺ teaches them to do dhikr. Then they started doing the dhikr. And then the rich heard about it, they started doing the dhikr as well. Now the poor ran to the Prophet ﷺ, Ya Rasulullah, they're giving out sadaqah and they're doing the dhikr as well. What are we to do? And the Prophet ﷺ tells them, that is a blessing that has been given to them by Allah, the wealth. Not everybody is given wealth, but if you're given wealth in a halal way, if you spend it wisely, securing investments that will reap profits for you in this world as well as the hereafter, you're going to enjoy a high rank. But what happens is generally when money comes in, greed comes in as well. And then the individual becomes easily manipulated by shaitan. So shaitan brings in greed, like, okay, you have maybe one tower, you're looking to get the other tower. And then you somehow become very, you have this cutthroat mentality where you really don't care. You don't care undercutting others. You don't care doing whatever it takes. Now when you hit the Forbes top 10, you're 10, now you want to make it to 9, you want to make it to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and say you're at 1, you're still not satisfied. Even for a momentary period of time, if your stocks drop and if you hit 2, you're upset. You are upset because you were 1. You want to always be 1. And even when you are at, this is the nature of man. We're never satisfied. We always want more and more and more. We think, oh, if I have a house, that's all I want. But when you have your house, you want another house. You're thinking, if I have this vehicle, that's it, you know, I'm satisfied. I really won't look for anything else. You get that vehicle and now your eyes are on another vehicle. This is how we are in nature. This is how we are being created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.